What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Better the First Time by Role Model. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll jackhammer your soul out of your fucking body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is an F major 7. You're gonna put your thumb on the low E on the first fret, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger 2nd fret G, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And if you can, get that high E open. If not, it's fine, but if you can curl your hand around to get that high E string open, try and do that. Then you need E minor, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, ring finger 2nd fret of the D. Then you need G major, take your ring finger off, put it on the 3rd fret of the low E, keep your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, pinky finger is on the 3rd fret of the high E. And then finally you need a C major 7. It's ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string. Once you get those chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. So we're gonna start with your F major 7 and you're gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So from F to E minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Back to F major 7, down, down, up, down, up. Now it changes a little bit here, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you're going from E minor to G. This is the second time through the chord progression, and it's down, down, up, down, down, up. So I'll show you what both of those look like right now. We're halfway through the chord progression. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then you jump back to the F major 7, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you just jump to your C major 7 for down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So I'll go through that whole thing slowly so you can see what it looks like. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And that just repeats throughout the entire song. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.